United Pet Group, Regions Bank, PNC, and a group of us got together. We just went to hold an annual pet adoption event. And one of our volunteers had heard that Joplin Humane Society was in dire need of relief of their overabundance of animals because of that F5 tornado. Plus, on top of the animals they take on a daily basis. They were low on supplies, so that's why we kind of got together, invited them and a bunch of other area humane societies to come in and take part in our event today. We have approximately about 75 animals here today. So last year, I do believe they adopted out 60 dogs and cats last year. Basically, we got various humane societies. We got APA of Granite City, we got Metro East Humane Society, of course we got Joplin Humane Society. We partner up with Partners for Pets, they're here as well. Clinton County Humane Society is taking part in this. And then plus we're doing the public rabies vaccinations as well, help get dogs vaccinated and taken care of as well. See, and they do a lot of this out of the kindness of their hearts, and it does cost quite a bit of money each month to do, take care of an animal and stuff. A lot of them are no-kill shelters, so they have them until the animal passes. So it's a great way to get, help the humane societies, and you're getting a good animal as well. They're vaccinated, they're spayed, neutered, that as well.
$67,000 in 6 years.